Torrential slide cost pretty equivalent to $14.4900 a coin, or so they truly thought. The present exchange cost range, 14.290 to 14.8200 in a kind of significant manner. The earlier day close, 14.5700 in an unobtrusive way. The change fundamentally was 0.0800, 0.55% in a sort of significant way. Converse rate, USD to Avax in a sort of enormous manner. Torrential slide value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $14.81, truly greatest $15.85, beautiful least $13.77, which is very critical. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, May 30, cost $15.06, truly most extreme $16.11, especially least $14.01, or so they thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $15.00, exceptionally greatest $16.05, certainly least $13.95, or so they in every practical sense thought. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, June 1, cost $14.43, really most extreme $15.44, sort of least $13.42, which in a real sense shows that torrential slide value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $14.81, especially greatest $15.85, truly least $13.77, which basically is very critical. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $14.47, truly greatest $15.48, truly least $13.46. So torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $14.47, really most extreme $15.48, especially least $13.46, which certainly is very huge. In multi-week torrential slide conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $14.82, fundamentally most extreme $15.86, really least $13.78 in a by and large huge manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $14.50, especially most extreme $15.52 in every practical sense, least $13.49. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost $14.46, truly greatest $15.47, genuinely least $13.45 in an exceptionally significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $14.45, in every way that really matters, most extreme $15.46, exceptionally least $13.44, so the earlier day close, 14.5700, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide figure on Friday, June 9, cost $14.00, kind of greatest $14.98, genuinely least $13.02, or so they in every practical sense thought. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $14.24, sort of greatest $15.24, sort of least $13.24 amazingly. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost $14.06, extremely greatest $15.04, exceptionally least $13.08 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost $14.12, really greatest $15.11, lovely least $13.13, which is very critical. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost $14.21, sort of most extreme $15.20, exceptionally least $13.22 in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $13.96, in every way that really matters, most extreme $14.94, kind of least $12.98 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks torrential slide gauge on Monday, June 19, cost $14.17, exceptionally most extreme $15.16, sort of least $13.18 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $13.65, by and large most extreme $14.61, for the most part least $12.69, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost $13.83, in every practical sense, most extreme $14.80, truly least $12.86, which really is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost $13.74, by and large most extreme $14.70, exceptionally least $12.78, or so they really thought. Torrential slide figure on Friday, June 23, cost $12.90. By and large, greatest 13.80, least 12.00 in a fundamentally significant way. In about a month, torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $12.77, kind of most extreme 13.66, by and large least 11.88, or so they especially thought. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, June 27, cost $12.20, most certainly greatest 13.05, in every practical sense, least 11.35. Further appearance how torrential slide value expectation in the not-so-distant future and month torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $14.81, especially greatest 15.85, essentially least 13.77 in an unpretentious way. USD to AVAX conversion scale kind of equivalent to 0.0690 coins per $1. So torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, June 21, cost $13.83, especially most extreme 14.80, by and large least 12.86, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Today, S-reach 0.0675 minus 0.0700 in a sort of significant way. The past day, S nearby, 0.0686, or so they generally thought. Change for now plus 0.0004, plus 0.58%, which truly is very critical. USD to AVAX cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday, May 29, cost 0.068 coins. All things considered, greatest 0.073, most certainly least 0.063. USD to AVAX expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 0.066 coins, especially greatest 0.071, essentially least 0.062 amazingly. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost 0.067 coins, truly greatest 0.072, genuinely least 0.062, or so they especially thought. USD to AVAX expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 0.069 coins, truly greatest 0.075, certainly least 0.065, which generally is genuinely huge. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Friday, June 2, cost 0.069 coins, sort of most extreme 0.074, in every practical sense, least 0.065, or so they explicitly thought. And multi-week USD to AVAX expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 0.067 coins, beautiful greatest 0.073, fundamentally least 0.063. Exhibiting how torrential slide gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost $14.21, sort of most extreme 15.20, truly least 13.22, which really is genuinely huge. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.069 coins, especially greatest 0.074, lovely least 0.064, showing how dollar to torrential slide figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.069